Hi everyone. As for from the notebook review forum, I do see a lot of people interested to see reviews on this new Sony F series laptop. And on this one, actually, I have an Intel i-Core i7 CPU. I believe this is the 720, and a graphic card of NVIDIA, 1 gig, and it should be 33. It's a 330M NVIDIA notebook graphic card. And I do see also, like, everybody, like anyone purchased this computer from Best Buy, they do experiencing the same buzzing noise problem out of it, and I'm trying to see if you can hear it. Let me get closer. It might not be captured from my camera here. However, it does have a buzzing noise when the computer is doing idle. However, I do find a little solutions that can work around to stop this buzzing noise. Here's how it goes. If you click on Start, you go to Control Panel, and you click on Hardware and Sound, and you click on Sound. Okay. As soon as you click on Recording, the buzzing noise is gone. Oh, one more feature, just to clarify, to be confirmed with everyone, that this notebook does have a backlight keyboard. Here it comes. And the only key that without the backlight is a space bar. Thanks for watching. If you do have any questions, please post a comment. Thank you.